Hi all. Next, I will introduce to you one of our kinematic viscosity testers. After we open it here, it's a technology interface. It looks like this. Our main body has two parts. One is the operation part and the temperature rise monitoring part. Inside, it is filled with water if it's below zero. Only one of us can be injected. Anhydrous ethanol or petroleum ether. The back of this is connected to our corresponding a plug cable. Each plug of the plug-in line is different, so it's easier to distinguish. Then for our specific test, there are several things that need to be set. One of them is our viscosity coefficient. We use an 8mm tube. For 0.8, we click on the settings. We set the preset temperature. We simulate it to be 40 degrees. Then the coefficient. The coefficient we set is the viscosity constant. The viscosity constant of the test tube. The viscosity constant, which is 0.0 to 929. Okay, let's enter 0.0 to 929. Click OK. This is our viscosity coefficient, which is, it's our number 1, number 2, no 3, no 4, no 5, no 6. According to our normal use. Because we have 4 stations, we can set 4. 2 are enough for normal use, 1 or 2 are fine. Then outside, there is also an automatic printing and correct the degree. Then we click on viscosity. After the temperature reaches 40 degrees, we use our blow pad to blow the capillary tube. There should be a hose here, but when I demonstrate now, I don't add the hose. Blow it above the upper scale line. We can, for example, absorb oil. Normally absorb oil, or upside down, to suck up to this scale line. Then during the test, the oil level should be higher than this scale line, higher than our second scale line. Now we will empty the air inside. To empty the air. Okay. After emptying on the liquid level, we'll time it later. Insert it into this place. Press the switch next to it. Insert it. Okay. Then put it into our tester. Our thermostatic bed. Okay, you can start from. You can see from this place. We can see the value. When it reaches the upper scale line, we click to start the timer. When it reaches the lower scale, we click to end the timing. Okay, we're getting to the lower tick right now. This place. Click end after reaching the lower scale line. Okay, when we see that the bottom tick is about to be reached, we need to prepare to go to our instrument. Click to end. Okay, it's arrived now. Click end. Here is the test value. In this printout. Then, and our historical data is also here. We can switch to the next or previous one. The viscosity here is 7.61. Our normal 45 number oil is less than or equal to 11. Our instrument introduction is over.